Now moving to the another important 3-mark question. Protection of the induced EMF by changing the area of the coil. Now here consider the conducting rod, that is the L, moving with the velocity, that is the V. It fixed on the metallic frame, rectangular fixed the metallic frame, but it is the movable conductor. One is the moving towards the left hand side, that is the whole arrangement placed in a uniform magnetic field. That is the whole arrangement placed in a uniform magnetic field. But here the magnetic field means it is the perpendicular to the plane of the paper and inward direction. The total metallic frame placed in a magnetic field. So that is the rod means it is the AB, that is the conducting rod. Now that I am moving with the velocity V, moving the left hand side means it is moving the CD. Upon now AB to DC. Now that I am the decrease of the area. Area of the rectangular coil is decreases. So magnetic field through the loop for the varailu decreases. Now here we can find out the change the magnetic flux in time dt. In time dt. Now here find out the distance moving of the conducting rod means that is the distance dx. Depend on the time means with the velocity v. So that dx means it is the v dot dt. So now that is the dx means v dot dt. Now here the magnetic field means it is a perpendicular to the plane of the paper, that means it is the inward direction. So now we can find out the change the magnetic flux in the time dt. So that change the magnetic flux for the varailu d pi equal to b. Now here change the magnetic flux means the area, so that means it is the into dA. The dA means change in area. Here the change in area means that the area changes A, B, C, D. So that means dA means it is the area of the A, B, C, D. So that is the area changes means length into breadth. Length பொறுத்த வரையில் நமக்கு change in area dAங்கிறது நம்ம என்னன்னு எழுதலாம்னா L dot dx. Here already we know the dx value means that is the L v dot dt. Now here substitute the value. So finally we can get the change the magnetic flux, that is the d pi equal to b lv dot dt. Now here change the magnetic flux depend on the time dt. So now rearrange that equation, dp by dt. Change the magnetic flux with the time. So finally we get the answer blv. Already we know the induced EMF, that means C equal to d pi b by dt. So finally we can using the induced EMF means that is the BLV. So that BLV means that is the motional EMF. So here the direction of the current in a circuit for the varailu using the Fleming right hand rule. So Fleming right hand rule depend பண்ணும்போது it is the clockwise direction. Current direction for the varailu it is the clockwise direction. So induced current in a loop for the varailu, that is I equal to C by R. So finally we can substitute that motional EMF means the induced current in a metallic frame BLV by R. So now here that current is connected in a external circuit. So now moving to the conservation of the energy. Now moving to the conservation of the energy, that means energy conservation. Energy conservation பொறுத்த வரையிலும் energy neither be created nor destroyed. Here the current carrying conductor. That current carrying conductor means that is the AB, that is the conducting rod. It is placed in a magnetic field means it is experience the magnetic force in a outward direction. Here it experience the magnetic force in a outward direction. So already we are discussing about the force on a current carrying conductor in a third lesson. So write down that force means that is the magnetic force FB equal to IL cross B vector. So here we can using the cross product means that is the sin theta. So that means ILB sin theta. So here it is magnetic field means it is the inward direction. Here moving the conductor means it is the perpendicular direction. So theta equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 oda value that is the 1. Finally we can get the magnetic force means ILB. Now here the constant force is equal and opposite to the magnetic force. Because it is the outward direction means here now we are moving the magnetic rod in a left hand side. So that constant force is the equal and opposite to the magnetic force. அப்போ நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னா அந்த கண்டக்டிங் ராடை மூவ் பண்ண முடியும். ஃபைனலி தட் இது அப்ளைடு ஃபோர்ஸ் பொறுத்த வரையிலும் we are taking the magnitude. So both side we can take the modulus. That means it is the ILB. Now write down the mechanical work is done to be the applied force. அப்போ applied forceனால அங்கே என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா work is done. So now we can find out the work done. Work done பொறுத்த வரையிலும் that is the W equal to force into displacement. இதை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா ஒர்க் டன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்போ டிஸ்டன்ஸை பொறுத்த வரையில் நம்ம வெலாசிட்டின்னு எடுத்திங்கன்னா டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பை டைம்னு எடுக்கலாம். அப்போ இங்கே டி வேணும்னா விடிங்கிறது சப்ஜெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ ஃபோர்ஸ் இன்ட்டு வெலாசிட்டி இன்ட்டு டைம் தட் இஸ் த ஒர்க் டன். ஸோ ரீஅரேஞ்ச் தட் ஈக்குவேஷன். ஒர்க் டன் பை டைம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு force into velocity. So work done by time is called the rate of doing work is called the power. So write down that equation. Power means that is the F, that is the force applied into velocity. So here we can using the force and velocity, it is the same direction. So we are using the dot product. That means it is the cos theta. So now write down that equation. Force velocity into cos theta. So theta equal to 0. So theta 0 means that is the cos 0 value, that is the 1. So now we can apply the force. Already we know the ILB. So now substitute that value means power is equal to ILB V. Already we know the I value, that is the current induced in a area change in the coil பொறுத்த வரையிலும் BLV into R. Now here substitute that value. BLV divided by R, that is the LBV. So finally we can get the power in a that metallic frame means that is the B squared L squared V squared by R. Now moving to the Joule heating effect. Because the current flowing in a coil means they are produce the heat energy. So write down the Joule's heating effect means that is the H, that means it is the amount of the energy. So that means it is the work done I squared RT. Again rearrange that equation, that is the H by T. That means again it is the work done by time, it is equal to I squared R. That is the work done by time means that is called the power. That means it is the I squared R. Already we know the I, that value we can substitute means finally we can get the B squared L squared V squared by R squared into R. Now we can cancel that. Finally we can get the electric, that is the power means B squared L squared V squared by R. So that is the equal power. But there will be any losses in a power means that mechanical energy needed to move the rod means is converted into the electrical energy. After that it is appear the thermal energy in a loop. So that is called the conservation energy. So that is the production of the EMF induced by the changing the area of the coil.